When the United Nations awarded to us the Benham rights, it was absolute. In fact, it's not only confined to the 200-mile EEZ, but it went beyond. The extended continental shelf was recognized to be part of the Philippines, and so the area really is 11 million hectares inside the 200-mile EEZ, plus another 13 million hectares beyond our EEZ. We are not aware of any other claimants, and other nations have expressed recognition of our sovereign rights over the area.
Will there be a potential claimants in the future, or potential threat of being claimed in the future? Meron bang mga ganyan na nakikita kayo?
We don't see, there could be, but we don't see any right now. We must also, I think we are also aware of the pronouncements of the Department of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Foreign Affairs of China, saying that they recognize our sovereign rights over the Benham rights.
So wala kayo nakitang banta in the future na pwedeng mag-claim or pwedeng kunin itong lugar na ito?
I don't see it in the near future. But as we look at the resources of the area, fisheries being one of the resources that we have, there is always a claim to an equal right, provided they are given permit by the coastal state, meaning the Philippines. Other countries may fish in the area, provided they are given the permission by the Republic of the Philippines.